Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to share with you this really pretty spring wall decor piece that I made using items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. For this project, I used one of the Dollar Tree 9.5-inch mirrors, some of their motion spirals. I used some of the Dollar Tree Rhinestone Stickers, as well as some Floral Foam, this glitter ribbon that I had left over from Christmas, as well as my E6000, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was use a pair of wire cutters to cut the motion spirals into the smaller pieces that I needed for this project. I cut 26 20-inch pieces, 13 14-inch pieces, and 13 9-inch pieces for this project. I used a total of 4 motion spiral games in total. Next, I bent my 20-inch pieces into the shape of flower petals. Next, I removed the cardboard and the mirror from its frame. I did not use the frame for this project. I then cut the cardboard to the same shape of the mirror, ensuring that I kept the hanging hook on the back of the cardboard intact. I then used hot glue to attach the foam to the top of my cardboard. Next, I used that same hot glue to cover the sides of my foam with my glitter ribbon. I then began inserting my metal petals into my foam. I eventually discovered it was much easier to insert the metal into the foam when I used my X-Acto knife. Once I was happy with the placement of my petals, I used hot glue to secure those petals into place. I then added a second row of the wire petals to my design as well. As you can see, I'm placing a wire petal in between every 2 petals in my first row. I then used my wire cutters to cut away the wire pieces that were extremely long inside of my foam. I also added some additional hot glue to secure the second row of petals in place. I then added a third row of the wire petals using my 14-inch pieces. Here I'm adding my fourth row of the petals using my 9-inch wire pieces. Once I was done adding all 4 rows of my wire petals, I had something that looked like this. I then used my hot glue to cover my glitter ribbon with my rhinestones. Next, I used a combination of E6000 and hot glue to attach my mirror to the top of my foam. I also added the rhinestones along the perimeter of my mirror. There was a slight gap along the sides of my design, so I covered that up with an additional row of the rhinestones. And to add just a bit more glam, I added 1 single rhinestone to each petal. I then began to remove the glue strings with my crafting toothbrush as well as a warm hair dryer. I allowed my design to cool, cleaned my mirror, and here was my finished look. I think that this super glam spring wallflower turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Have you subscribed to my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise Up Close and Personal? If not, I'll leave a link to my second channel below. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.